Hey, what's up, guys? It's a movie over here, back for Blu-ray 4K Thursday. Now, in today's unboxing will be for a Severin Films limited collector's edition for a Dracula film with Christopher Lee. That is for Count Dracula, 1971. Sorry, 1970. It stars Christopher Lee and Klaus Kinski. So there's a front, spine, back, if you want to read details and special features. Yeah, so front, back, and then spine. This is a 4-disc set. Here's a flyer. So, disc 1, 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray. Disc 2, feature and extras. Disc 3, additional extras. And then disc 4 is the soundtrack. So very cool edition, but would have been nice if it would have had this slipcover. But yeah, so yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of Count Dracula 1970 on 4K from Severin Films. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See anything in the comment section below. Letting me know what's your favorite Dracula film of all time. Thank you.